Hello friends, today we will talk about Rocket Loans, a platform that offers quick and convenient loans. If you are looking for a way to get money for urgent needs, stay with us. Rocket Loans is an online service that allows you to get a loan in just a few minutes. The website has an intuitive interface, making the application process simple and convenient. You can easily find all the necessary information about loans, interest rates, and terms. To get a loan, you just need to fill out a short questionnaire. Indicate the amount you want to borrow in the loan term. After that, Rocket Loans will conduct a quick check of your creditworthiness. Usually, a decision is made within a few minutes, and if everything is in order, the money can be transferred to your account on the same day. One of the main advantages of Rocket Loans is speed. You don't have to wait weeks to get your money. Additionally, the platform offers competitive interest rates and flexible repayment terms. You can choose a loan term from 36 to 60 months, allowing you to tailor payments to your budget. Rocket Loans cares about the security of its clients. All data is protected, and the application process is completely safe. If you have any questions, the support team is always ready to help. You can contact them by phone or through online chat. So if you need money quickly and without hassle, Rocket Loans is a great choice. Don't forget to visit their website to learn more and apply. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel, like, and share your experiences in the comments. See you in the next video.